Hi, let us show you how to set up your custom search bar. Go to Settings, Custom Search Bar menu in our admin. Then click on the Customize Your Search Bar button. You will be redirected to the Live Theme Editor in Shopify App Embeds section. Here, you can set up and customize the search bar. First, it needs to be attached to an element, and as you can see, it's automatically attached to the header. If you like the current preview, then first you need to save the position with the orange Save button. After that, you also need to save the other changes made to the search bar with a gray Save button on the top right corner. Now you should see the search bar on the storefront. Let's say you want to make further changes. Don't forget that you need to enable the picker first to make the element selectable for the search bar. Okay, let's attach the search bar to a different element. You can choose from 4 different positions, but I'm fine with below, so let's save it. Next, modify the colors to make it more visible for the customers or just to better match the style of the store. If you are not satisfied with the placeholder and the size of the search bar, then change those too and press Save. That looks much better. Remember to disable the position picker when you are finished, to avoid issues with the theme editor later. Save the changes again in the top right corner. You can also enable or disable the bar separately for desktop and mobile, and further style the search bar using CSS. Last but not least, you can set it up for any of your themes. Just go to Shopify Themes, click Customize on the selected theme, and you will find Rapid Search CSV under the App Embeds. I hope this video helps you, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team.